Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to enable email notifications for missed activity in Teams. There are teams, channels, meeting chats, and direct chats in Teams, and you may miss important activity. Therefore, if you are not getting already, it is important to turn on email notifications so nothing is missed when you are not in Teams. This process is shown on Windows 11. Let's learn how you will do that. Left-click on the three dots on the upper right section for Settings and More. Left-click Settings in the menu. Go to Notifications and Activity. In the right panel of Window, scroll down to the Missed Activity Emails section. And select the frequency that you want to set for missed activity emails. I am going to select once every hour. Next time, when I will not be on Teams, I will get email notification for missed activity so I don't miss anything. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.